I'm Isaiah with Pump That Septic, and today we're doing a real estate septic evaluation. When evaluating systems, we always clean the tank out first. We use a crust buster to make sure that we get all the solids out of the tank. And when the tank is empty, we examine the walls to make sure there are no cracks. When the structure of the tank is compromised by cracks and corrosions, it can cause the tank to collapse, being a dangerous hazard for people walking above it. Next, we use an underground camera to get a visual of the drain area to see what condition it's in. A new drain field can cost from $15,000 to $25,000, so it's very important to not skip this step and be sure you get an idea of what the system is like by using either a camera or digging it up. When we're finished, we make a drawing that maps out your system. We also include measurements and specific details and comments about what we found. This way the homeowner can have an exact visual on what they have for a septic system. The price for this service starts at $500 and can go up several hundred depending on the size of your tank and the amount of time it takes us to find and evaluate each part of the system. When these steps are used and the system is evaluated properly, you can clearly see which parts of your system are working properly and which ones might need to be repaired. This will give you peace of mind during the home buying process.